doors that led to nowhere, hoping someday I'd find what's fair. A little place to call my own, a shelter made of love, not stone.
Category 19. Insurance and Protection. Question. What is homeowners insurance and why do I need it?
Naomi, I've heard about homeowners insurance, but can you explain what it is and why it's necessary?
Sure, Amara. Homeowners insurance is there to protect you financially if something happens to your home, like a disaster, theft, or even an accident on your property.
So it's not just about the structure of the house?
Exactly. Most policies cover the home structure, your personal belongings, and even liability if someone gets hurt on your property.
That's reassuring. Is it mandatory?
If you have a mortgage, it's required by your lender to protect their investment. Even without a loan, though, it's a smart safety net to have.
Makes sense. Are there any specific considerations depending on where you live?
Absolutely. Depending on your area, you might need additional coverage for things like floods or earthquakes, which aren't typically included in standard policies.
Got it. So reviewing the policy carefully is key, right?
Exactly. You want to make sure your coverage is adequate for your home and your location. It's always better to be prepared.
Thanks, Naomi. This clears up a lot for me.
Anytime, Amara. Protecting your home is one of the best investments you can make.
Not stone. And now I'm standing at the gate, a brand new chapter, I can't wait. These keys to my dreams, they're in my head, a place to grow, a place to stand.
Category 19. Insurance and Protection. Question. How do I determine how much homeowners insurance I need?
Naomi, how do I figure out how much homeowners insurance I actually need?
Great question, Amara. First, you'll want to calculate the cost to rebuild your home from the ground up. That means looking at local construction rates for a house like yours.
Oh, so it's not just about the market value of the house?
Exactly. The insurance is for rebuilding, not resale value. Then, you'll also need to think about coverage for your personal belongings.
Like furniture, clothes, and electronics?
Yeah, and if you have high-value items like jewelry or collectibles, you might want to add riders to your policy for extra protection.
Makes sense. What about natural disasters?
Good point. Depending on where you live, you may need additional coverage for things like floods, hurricanes, or earthquakes.
Got it. So I should consider rebuilding costs, belongings, liability, and any regional risks.
Exactly. And don't hesitate to ask your insurance agent for help. They can guide you through the specifics.
Thanks, Naomi. This helps me feel more confident about figuring it out.
Anytime, Amara. It's all about being prepared.
Every corner whispers my name. This is my home, my claim to fame. The walls may be fresh, the paint brand new, but the stories inside